This is part 2.
These are the marbles in the cup.
3, 2, 1.
Is that all of them?
Oh, I saw 4.
Looks like this guy is last. And yes, we have some problems with
Major difficulties. See you in the next part, Tyke.
Okay.
You got 20 seconds.
15 seconds.
20 seconds.
15.
20.
15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. He is out.
Turn to the bucket of shame. Hey, look, you want to put Kapara Revenge?
Okay. 3, 2, 1. This
Mike one.
will be going. 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He is safe.
That means
Unlucky.
Kevin. Let's play a little mini game. Oops. This mini game is flick. You will be flicked like this. You have to stay in the center and be the farthest one. If not, you are out of the game world. Shortest one of the sticks loses. Kevin, come here. You're gonna hold.
Oh yeah, this will happen every time a person is safe.
Okay, these three will have to take a race down the lane. And when I say lane, they will skip the first few events. Kevin, this marble is out.
This guy is out.
7. You know, I'm going to switch up the rules.
Welcome back to part 2. Come back for part 2.